Aerospace manufacturing demands precision, efficiency, and strict regulatory compliance. With high-stakes production and complex operations, the margin for error is razor-thin. Managing an aerospace facility can be overwhelming. Without the right tools, it's easy to lose control of critical components, miss deadlines, and fall short of regulatory standards. CUSCEN ERP takes the guesswork out of supply chain management, get real-time insights into your inventory, track supplier performance, and automate reordering process to avoid costly delays. Precision is key in aerospace. CUSCEN ERP helps you coordinate complex assemblies and maintain quality checks, ensuring each part is produced on time and to the highest standards. Compliance is not negotiable in aerospace, but tracking regulations across multiple production lines can be a monumental task. CUSCEN ERP automates compliance tracking, generating real-time reports to ensure you're always audit ready. High production costs, waste, and rework can eat into your margins. With CUSCEN ERP, you can monitor real-time costs, reduce waste, and optimize resource allocation. Data can cripple efficiency, especially across multiple sites. CUSCEN ERP breaks down these silos, unifying your operations with real-time insights to boost decision-making. CUSCEN ERP is the trusted solution for aerospace manufacturers, helping you streamline operations, ensure compliance, and optimize every stage of production. Ready to streamline your aerospace manufacturing process? Contact us today to see how CUSCEN ERP can help.